In the months following sexual assault, most people experience traumatic stress symptoms, such as painful reminders of the assault, problems sleeping, difficulties thinking about the assault, and feelings of guilt, anger, and sadness. Our mission is to prevent and treat stress after sexual assault, to help survivors heal and focus on the things in their life that matter most to them. We offer free mental health follow-up care over the phone, video, and in person to recent survivors of sexual assault. You can reach us by calling 843-860-5508.